State leaders believe a new law will provide relief to struggling bars and restaurants around South Carolina while making the justice system more fair. But getting this legislation to the governor's desk didn't come without challenges. Our State House reporter Mary Green has the details.
On Wednesday, with the General Assembly in session here at the State House for what will likely be its final day of the year, lawmakers joined the governor to mark the passage of a key priority for this year, a new law that combines the Senate's tort reform bill with the House of Representatives' liquor liability bill.
This new law is a major step forward for business and for the people of South Carolina.
Getting this bill to the governor was at times contentious, and it took weeks of debate and closed-door negotiations in the final days of the legislative session to hash out a compromise that's now law. Part of it aims to address skyrocketing liquor liability insurance costs that have made it unaffordable for many bars and restaurants across the state to stay open. The law keeps in place a 2017 requirement that bars and restaurants that serve alcohol maintain a $1 million liability policy. But they'll offer new opportunities for them to lower that amount if they meet certain steps, like if they stop serving alcohol before midnight. This agreement will also enact mandatory alcohol server training and other steps designed to lower premiums.
This legislation reflects an important recognition that the current system needed to be addressed and that those who run responsible, community-minded establishments deserve a regulatory environment that supports them.
The law also keeps a major component of the Senate's tort reform bill, joint and several liability, which deals with which parties can be held responsible in lawsuits. As part of that, it amended an existing carve-out in state law that puts bars and restaurants on the hook for a significantly outsized portion of damages in drunk driving lawsuits.
It also brings fairness to our judicial system.
While Senator's original bill included several more topics like medical malpractice and auto insurance, they were dropped from the final version with a promise the House would take up these issues next year.
It's a small step, but it's a step in the right direction.
And among the issues the General Assembly wasn't able to totally tackle with this new law are South Carolina's DUI laws. Legislators say they're some of the weakest in the entire country, and they hope to make strengthening them a priority here next year. Reporting from State House, I'm Mary Green.